We wanted to adapt our halls to the latest market requirements, so we replaced the lighting in all areas with LED lighting. We also wanted to provide our tenants with the highest possible standard of work and safety, which is also related to the issue of lighting. On the other hand, for us as property managers, the carbon footprint, specifically the operational carbon footprint, is also very important. We continuously monitor and report it, and we believe that for our tenants as well, who certainly have their own decarbonization goals, such a lighting upgrade and the resulting reduction in carbon footprint will be highly significant. Buildings in the European Union are responsible for about 40% of energy consumption and 36% of greenhouse gas emissions. Therefore, from our perspective, a fundamental and critical objective of our ESG strategy is to actively work to counteract the negative impacts of global climate change. Our primary goal is to significantly lower our greenhouse gas emissions by 20% by 2027, and then further reduce them by 50% by the year 2035. We would like at least 75% of the energy supplied to our properties to come from renewable sources by 2035. One of the biggest challenges in this project was its scale, both in terms of the area where we had lighting and in terms of the topography. These were logistics parks located in different parts of the country, so we were looking for a partner who would be able to carry out this project in terms of quality, but also in terms of topography.
Creating a cohesive lighting concept for our client was a very big challenge. A solution that we could implement in all 5 locations for 18 different tenants, combining the flexibility of the solution, that is, one type of fixture that we could use in all facilities with work comfort, savings, and a reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. That's why we decided to choose the Elemento fixture, which combines all these features along with proper illumination of the aisles from a height of over 10 meters. Thanks to the investment in LED lighting, our client will save 2 million zlotys annually. Over the warranty period, this will amount to 10 million zlotys. At the same time, we will reduce CO2 emissions by 1,737 tons and decrease electricity consumption for lighting by 59%.
We are very satisfied with the completion of this project, probably above all because of the flexibility of Luxon LED. With so many tenants and such a variety of businesses they run, the contractor's work really requires a great deal of flexibility and frequent changes in the location of the work being carried out. And Luxon LED provided all of this, so I think this is one of the most important factors when choosing a contractor.